The motorcycle industry has a long history of promising revolution and delivering evolution. Yamaha has never been particularly interested in that distinction, minus they simply build what they believe a motorcycle should be, and then they let the machine make the argument. The 2027 VMAX 1700 is that argument, and after spending a full day aborted on the roads outside Los Angeles, it is difficult to find a single flaw in Yamaha's reasoning. This is not a refresh. It is not a mid-cycle update. Dressed in new bodywork, with a revised spec sheet, and a marketing campaign built around words like reimagined and reborn, the 2027 VMAX represents a fundamental rethinking of what this platform is capable of, minus mechanically, electronically, and philosophically minus, and the result is a motorcycle that doesn't just compete at the top of the muscle cruiser segment, it redefines what that segment is allowed to be. Start with the engine, because with the VMAX, you always start with the engine. The 1670 CCVC has been the heartbeat of this machine since its modern reintroduction. And Yamaha's engineers clearly understood that you don't replace a heartbeat, you strengthen it. The bore and stroke dimensions have been revised to push the compression ratio higher without sacrificing reliability, a balance that required significant work at the combustion chamber level, including new piston crown geometry and revised valve timing profiles derived directly from Yamaha's active Motog development program. The result is an engine that produces more usable power across a wider band than any previous iteration of this motor, with a character that shifts noticeably and deliberately depending on what you ask of it. Yamaha's new variable intake valve timing system is central to that character shift. At partial throttle and lower engine speeds, the system holds valve timing in a configuration optimized for torque and smoothness, giving the VMAX a remarkably composed, almost reserved personality. In urban riding condition, push past 40% throttle, particularly above 4,000 RPM, and the system transitions to a higher lift, longer duration profile that transforms the entire acoustic and mechanical experience of the motorcycle. The intake note drops, the power delivery sharpens, and the machine communicates minus with complete clarity. Minus that it has been waiting patiently for exactly this moment. Yamaha claims a 15% improvement in mid-range torque delivery over the outgoing model, based on everything experienced during back-to-back riding sessions. That figure is not marketing language. It is accurate. The fuel delivery system has been rebuilt around new 44mm throttle bodies equipped with dual-stage atomization injectors that operate in two distinct spray patterns based on engine ode mapping. This level of fuel atomization precision matters because complete combustion translates directly into throttle response quality, and throttle response quality is the single most important sensory factor in how a powerful motorcycle communicates with its rider. On the 2027 VMAX, that communication is immediate, linear, and completely trustworthy, minus which becomes critically important the moment you understand how much power this chassis is managing. The chassis itself represents the most dramatic engineering departure from the previous generation. Yamaha has replaced the conventional aluminum beam frame with a new hybrid construction, featuring a cast aluminum spine through the center line of the motorcycle, supported by forged aluminum sections at the swing arm pivot point and steering head junction. The geometry adjustments are subtle, minus rake reduced by half a degree, trail shortened proportionally minus, but the effect on handling behavior is anything but subtle. The VMAX now carries its mass with a precision and directional authority that consistently surprises riders who approach it expecting the heavy, deliberate steering of a traditional muscle cruiser. It pivots, it responds, it tracks through corners with a confidence that makes the 297-kilogram wet weight figure genuinely difficult to believe until you step off the bike and look at it standing. Till's suspension quality has been elevated to a level that genuinely belongs in a different conversation than most production motorcycles are having. The front end carries fully adjustable Keeb, inverted forks, integrated with Yamaha's new reactive damping control system minus a semi-active platform that processes road surface data through an axle-mounted accelerometer at 1,000 adjustment cycles per second, econ. The rear shock mirrors this capability with its own electronically controlled damping, and both ends communicate continuously with a new 6-axis EMU that monitors lean angle, pitch, yaw, and lateral acceleration in real time. The practical result of all this engineering is a motorcycle that responds to pavement irregularities, corner camber variations, and mid-corner surface changes with a composure that removes anxiety from the riding experience entirely. The VMAX does not fight the road. It reads it. Braking has been upgraded with the seriousness this platform deserves. Dual 320mm floating rotors at the front are clamped by new radial mount Brembo Stylema. R calipers, minus hardware typically reserved for superbike applications minus connected TH. Rough a redesigned master cylinder calibrated for improved lever feel and progression. The ABS system has been returned around lean angle data from the EMU, allowing the cornering abs to intervene with timing that accounts for the motorcycle's actual attitude, rather than responding to wheel speed data alone. Stopping the 2027 VMAX from serious speed is an exercise in controlled confidence. The kind of braking experience that builds trust quickly and holds it. The electronics architecture deserves recognition as one of the most thoughtfully assembled packages in this segment. 6 riding modes are available -2 factory configured, and 4 fully open to rider customization, accessible through a new 5-inch TFT display that integrates into the instrument binnacle with a precision that looks factory inevitable rather than added. The screen performs flawlessly in direct sunlight, connects to Yamaha's Connect Max platform for navigation overlay, call management, and ride data logging, and serves as the interface for an 8-level traction control system refined enough to be genuinely useful at each increment rather than clustering usable settings at one end of the range. Launch control is present, listed without ceremony in the mode configuration menu, available to anyone who finds it and understands what it means when a machine weighing nearly 300 kilograms offers to manage its own departure from a standing start. Visually, the 2027 VMAX is the most resolved design this platform has carried. The essential proportions that define VMAX identity and the exposed V-SU flanked by dramatic tank covers. The low aggressive stance, the sense of barely contained mechanical intent are preserved and sharpened rather than softened or modernized for its own sake. The new LED lighting architecture front and rear includes a daytime running signature that is immediately recognizable at distance. The exhaust system has been rerouted to a dual under-tail exit configuration that cleans the visual profile significantly, while recovering ground clearance lost in previous routing. 3 launch colorways are offered: midnight matte black with copper detailing, graphite silver with red accent work, and a numbered competition white limited production run that will move quickly and be discussed for years. Riding the 2027 VMAX on the Pacific Coast Highway in the early morning, with the light low and the road clear and the ocean sitting flat and silver to the west, produces a specific kind of clarity. Not the clarity of something simple, the clarity of something that has been made exactly as complex as it needs to be, and no more. Every system on this motorcycle, minus mechanical, electronic, structural minus, is working toward the same outcome, which is a riding experience that rewards attention and punishes nothing. It is a machine that has figured out what it is and committed to that identity, with a kind of certainty that only comes from genuine engineering conviction. The 2027 Yamaha VMAX 1700 is the most capable, most refined, and most purposeful version of this motorcycle that has ever existed. It is also, without qualification, one of the most significant production motorcycles available at any price point in the current market. Yamaha built the argument. The road made the case.